getting in breaking inputs on Haryana. Another BJP leader, Bachchan Singh Arya, has decided to quit BJP in Haryana after failing to find a place in the first list of candidates who will be contesting in the upcoming assembly elections of Haryana. This is one of the latest politicians. Remember, he's not a first because several BJP politicians in Haryana have called it quits, including Ranjit Singh Chautala, Bishambar Singh Valmiki, even Karan Kamboj. Let's quickly go across to Arun Datta, who's joining me on the phone line. Arun, is the no ticket snub in fact costing the BJP in Haryana now?
Well, the latest entry in this list is of Bachchan Singh Arya, a senior BJP leader, 2 times member of Legislative Assembly of Haryana. He has now quit the party because they given to understand that he wanted to contest this time assembly election. He did not get the ticket, and that could be the reason behind his resignation from the party. And there have been various names, whether it is Kisan Morcha head of BJP in Haryana, whether it is OBC Morcha head of the state. They all have resigned in last couple of days, especially after the first list has come out, and it's a long list of 67 candidates. So, which means that 80% of the candidates have been declared by BJP for Haryana assembly elections. Only 23 remaining names are there. But as far as those candidates who have realized that there's seats have been given to somebody else, so therefore they've resigned. And perhaps on that line, we are seeing the Bachchan Singh Arya is following. He's also been a former minister in the Haryana government, in the BJP government 10 years back. So, this is the latest entry in all those people who are leaving Bharatiya Janata Party. 23 seats are still remaining, and BJP will be hoping that once they declare those names, there is nobody else who resigns from
which is why, Arun, I'm going to request you to continue staying with us because we're getting in more breaking inputs coming in from Haryana BJP. In fact, amid the slew of resignations, we are now learning that the Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has said that attempts are currently being made to pacify the upset leaders, and he has also expressed confidence that the Bharatiya Janata Party will again form the government in Haryana. This as the BJP now vies to come back to power a third time in Haryana. Let's also listen in to what the Haryana Chief Minister has to say.
बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं, बराड़ा जी काम करेंगे और इसी क्षेत्र के अंदर लोगों के लिए वो वोट भी मांगने की अपील करेंगे। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी एकमुश्त होकर के तीसरी बार सरकार बना रही है।
Arun continues to stay with us. Let's also quickly go back to Arun. Arun, you said that 23 seats are still remaining. Should we now anticipate that the majority of, the tickets from these 23 seats will go to these miffed BJP MLAs because that's what Nayab Singh Saini also said, that efforts are being made to pacify them?
Well, it's all about the messaging. The message should not go wrong. That's what BJP is assuming, because right after you declare your first list with 67 seats, you have your senior leaders like of your OBC Morcha Chief of Haryana, Kisan Morcha Chief are resigning. That sends a very negative message amongst the cadres, and that also motivates others to follow the queue. So in that queue, we are seeing Bachchan Singh Arya resigning from the party. And if you see, Congress has been very cautious in this regard. The first list which they released 2 days back, rather yesterday, with 31 candidates, out of those 31, 28 are sitting MLAs. So there have been very less chances of any rebellion on that front. So they've been very cautious on that. BJP, of course, took their time. They took a week after their CEC meeting to release the first list. But still, there are a few people who are resigning from the party. BJP leadership, of course, showing that brave front that we have taken everybody on board, and we will bring everybody back, or we will take everybody on board as far as campaigning is concerned. We will form the government. But what is going to happen on the ground on the day of voting, that's something which is very, very crucial. And how you're going to kill that narrative, which if any chance these leaders who are leaving the
All
party
right.
to create against the BJP.
Many thanks to you, Arun, for bringing in all those latest inputs. But clearly, the BJP standing on an unsure footing in Haryana. But of course, the Chief Minister continues to do the damage control. Let's also listen in to another reaction that has come in of Nayab Singh Saini, the Chief Minister.
कांग्रेस भ्रष्टाचार के अंदर फंसी हुई, दलदल में फंसी हुई पार्टी है और ऐसे ही दल के साथ वो समझौते की बात कर रही है जो उससे बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार के अंदर फंसी हुई है। दोनों के दो ये भ्रष्टाचार के अंदर, ये लोगों से इनको कोई सरोकार नहीं है, विकास से कोई सरोकार नहीं है। इनका अपना स्वयं का विकास हो जाए और खुश करने के लिए किसी न किसी, जैसे दामाद को खुश करना है, किसी माता को खुश करना है, ये कांग्रेस का सोच रही है। उससे आगे किसी को ये ना विकास की सोच सकते हैं, ना ये किसी को खुश करने की सोच सकते हैं।